Catwalk. Walk like a model. Go. Face the camera and smile. Okay. Introduce yourself.
Hi! My name is Kelly Asante Santiago, 5 years old. Representing Kinder Rose. I want to be a teacher. Thank you.
This is so we can monitor Mike's vitals. Respiratory rate, pulse oximetry, heart rate. And this one is blood pressure.
Okay, go back there.
Systolic.
Oh, kakaway naman kakaway ha. Tapos straight body Okay.
To do something.
Alright, sige, yung straight body, kakaway. Okay, go.
Below 70 again.
70 and below is an heart failure.
Smile, always smile. Okay,
If you need anything.
go.
Kelly Santiago,
She works as a grocery.
5 years old.
I gotta go.
Representing.
Sige na.
Sige na.
Representing Kinder Rose.
Face the camera. I want.
Okay. How do you do? Good.
I want to be
How's that boy
I
doing?
want to be a teacher. Thank you. Wow.
Ay, no, wow. Bow lang, bow. Okay, show me your happy face. Happy. Very happy.
Yes!
Yung masarap na masarap. Kunwari, yan yung chicken, hawak mo. Ang sarap. Sabihin
Ang
mo nga.
sarap!
Huwag ka masyadong malikot. Huwag masyadong malikot. Masyadong
This
malikot.
X-ray shows
Okay.
a normal 9-year-old.
Sabihin mo, yummy!
This X-ray is
Eh,
accurate.
ganun ba ang chicken pag kinakain? Ganun lang.
There are separate
Yummy! Oh,
Rap.
yummy ka mo,
Here.
yummy.
and here, which have induced myopathy, resulting pulmonary edema, and malignant ventricular
Okay,
hemorrhage.
sad naman, sad. Sad na sad ka, kunwari.
Michael's heart is
Tinitingnan mo yung
approximately
chicken,
3.5
ubus na. Sad na sad ka. Parang iiyak. Parang iiyak. Parang iiyak. Pumuntakpan yung bibig mo.
Basically, there's not enough blood being pumped by
Kunwari
Michael's
natakot
heart,
ka sa chicken.
so it backs up in the lungs.
Oh, wag ka tatawa, natatakot
A
eh.
sponge getting
Takot,
His heart is
natakot.
trying, but it's working too hard.
Was he need an operation?
Nagalit ka, nagalit.
Well, we're considerably beyond corrective surgery, Mr.
Galit oh,
This is our
galit si
fault.
Kelly oh.
Once
Biglang
our-
sumaya, masaya na.
He's going to need a transplant.
Yehey! Yes, yes, yes! Sabihin mo, harap ka dito! Harap!
There are other options.
Oh, mag masyadong malikot oh. Mag masyadong malikot. Doon ka sa gitna, doon ka sa gitna.
Medicaid.
Okay.
Make them feel as comfortable as possible. You're gonna have to start
Yeah.
thinking about the quality of
Tapos biglang sasayaw ka ng
understand.
sige, ikembot.
We were just looking and he's sick.
He's got the same fault. But that's his heart.
Biglang sumayaw ng pearly shell.
He will sleep more and more. Until one day he will fall asleep.
Biglang naging model ng shampoo.
I know this is the
Biglang naging model ng shampoo.
Meanwhile,
Ay, ba't ganun? Biglang kumanta ng... Ano kayang kakantayin ni Kelly?
and transplantation is a
Oh,
high-risk operation.
teka lang, wag ka malikot. Steady lang, ganun lang.
You might want to take a chance.
Labas mo lang dimple mo, pakita mo ang dimple. Baby, wag malikot, pakita mo dimple mo sa camera. Smile lang maganda. Huwag masyadong malikot oh. Malikotin ni anak.
Months, weeks,
Yan, ganyan
days.
lang. Oh, huwag kang malikot ha, kukunan ko lang yung eyes mong maganda.
Come on.
Oh, wag kang magugulat. Kunun. Kunwari, yan, nandyan sa may camera si daddy. Yan, malungkot na ganyan. Ang gundo naman, very sad. Sad talaga siya. Sad na sad. Malungkot na malungkot. Malungkot. Nagalit ngayon, nagalit. Galit. Angry. Angry. Galit, oh. Biglang naging happy. Ano malikot? Happy, ganun. Happy.
If he was yours, look,
Kunwari, stand straight lang, stand
I do the
straight.
transfer.
Titingnan natin yung iyong paa. Yung paano yung tayo ng model? Yung tayo ng model, paano?
Okay, let's do that. Let's do
Yan.
it.
Paano yung tayo ng model? Layo ka ng
Yes,
konti doon
yes.
para makita yung paa mo. Doon, anak, doon.
Well, the first thing we're gonna do is get Mike's name on the
Yung lakad ng
recipient.
model uli, yung
Be
lakad.
positive, so his name should go
Oh,
right
yung
to the top
pose
of
na
the
lang ng
It's
model,
not
yung
so
pose
simple.
ng model.
There are other considerations before
Baby!
taking
Oh,
place
halika
on
na
the
dito.
list.
Magpaalam ka na sa kanila.
Transplant surgery is very
Bye-bye!
in most cases prohibitively